Hey everyone, so I've got my cash box here. Now the box is all steel. We've got a metal handle here. I'm just going to kind of spin it around, just show you what it looks like. We've got a 3-digit combo here on the front that can be changed real easily from the inside. We've got 2 levers right here. When you push that, it's going to open it up. And you can see here that we've got 4 different slots for the money. All these are spring loaded, holds the money in there really well. Also, we have a little slider here that as you close that, you can see here it's going to cover all your change. So just to give you an example, I'm going to close that up. If you were handling this around, moving it around, you wouldn't want your money mixed up, right? So let's see what that did. Open it back up, and it's fine. None of it spilled out. So that's what I really like about this cover, because it's going to cover it really well. Also, it does come with a couple of extra springs, and that's just for your levers right here to hold your bills down. Also, it has some additional storage back here. You could put rolls of coins back there or anything extra that you need to. So this is really good for just handling your money. Maybe you're working outside and you're selling wares, and allows you to collect all your money. But it really easily can keep it secure, especially with the combination. But I just like the way it looks. It's really kind of a timeless, kind of cool retro look too. Hope you found this helpful.